guys, welcome to Two Buyers Homestead. My name is Sonny and I am picking some pole beans today. I planted I think about 300 feet of Blue Lake pole beans, and I'm noticing something. Some of them are round and some of them are kind of flat. It's kind of weird. It's the same seeds. At least it's supposed to be the same seeds, but some of them, I'm not too sure if that's what they normally do and everything, but they're lowered down. I got a lot right in here and everything. And my squash, they're getting big. I got some baby squash all up in here. Actually, I probably need to pick a look at the size of these leaves, guys. These things are huge. They got some little pointy things on it, kind of a little spiky and everything. But they're growing good. I think I'm gonna have a good harvest this year and everything. But my wife started harvesting them this morning. She picked up a little bowl this morning. It was good. I really enjoyed it. It was the first time well, take that back. I said it was the first time, but now I'm thinking about it. My grandpa used to plant these pole beans a long time ago, and we really enjoyed it. It was pretty good. Now this is a heritage breed. This is, like I say, it's Blue Lake pole beans. So, and the reason why I planted these is because I really want to save the seeds from it, because I don't want to keep buying seeds every year, and I'm hoping to save seeds. The only thing I'm worried about is if they go to stringing too early and too fast, then I might have a problem. So we try to keep on top of picking them. So every day we come out here and we pick. But this time right here, they kind of all came out at one time, where they're like these right here. I'm not gonna pick these today, but in another day or two, it's gonna be ready to be picked. But look, guys, I'm gonna tell y'all what. If y'all gonna plant something in your garden, these are the tickets. Look at the size of these beans. They're beautiful beans and everything. And you know, if you buy just this much right here, maybe this much, that's almost a can of green beans right there. That's $1, $1 or $2 right there already. And you know how many cans of green beans we're gonna have? I paid like roughly about, I don't know, maybe about $10 for the seeds. And I'm probably gonna pick up I'm gonna have almost 100 to 200 cans of green beans right here. We're gonna, you know, if I had to go buy that at $1 a can, that's $100-something at least. No, maybe even more than that. So I find that if you're gonna plant something, I think that's the thing. Boy, these little things are pointed. They got some spikes on them. They're kind of poking me in the leg. But that's a good thing to plant and everything, guys. So let me go ahead and get this done. It's getting late in the afternoon. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish, but I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done. That way tomorrow I can get started on the next stuff. So guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Guys, I just want to show you these carrots I just picked. They're not very long, but they are huge. They're huge. I can barely fit the whole thing in the frame. there's some monsters. And guess what? I got some more like that. I got quite a few of them like that in there. They're pretty big. But I'm just finishing up harvesting my carrots that you seen earlier in the video. I'm trying to get this completely done, get it out the way because it's coming to time, getting ready to plant my okras, and I want to get my sweet pretty soon. I'm in a couple of months. I'm gonna be planting sweet potatoes there. But what I gotta do is I gotta get that soil prepared. Because if I don't do it now, start preparing the soil now, it'll be too late later. So I got to get the fish down, I got to get some shrimp hairs down there, and I got to let all that start breaking down. And that usually takes a couple of months, you know, for that to break down. So what I want to do is I want to get everything out now, get ready to plant, and get ready to plant the next things. Before I do that, I had to get all these carrots out. So guys, look, I want to thank y'all for watching these videos. If you're enjoying, please make sure you press that like and subscribe button. Well, let me get back to work, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Y'all have a wonderful day.